Remember that old laptop gathering dust in your cupboard? The one you replaced with a shiny new model? It might seem past its prime, but that hunk of tech still has some life left in it. Instead of letting it languish in obscurity, you can give it a new purpose, transforming it into a dedicated gaming server. This isn't just about finding a use for old electronics. It's about creating something powerful and fun. Imagine hosting epic Minecraft adventures for your friends, all thanks to that old laptop. But that's not all. You can also use it as a media server, a personal cloud storage, or even a retro gaming console. Cleaning it up and giving it a new lease on life can be incredibly satisfying. Start by dusting it off and ensuring it still powers on. If it does, you're already halfway there. Next, consider what you want to transform it into. For a gaming server, you'll need to install the necessary software and connect it to your network. For a media server, you might want to load it with your favorite movies and music. The possibilities are endless. This isn't just about recycling, it's about reimagining. By repurposing old tech, you're not only reducing electronic waste, but also creating something uniquely yours. Imagine the joy of playing classic games or streaming your favorite shows from a device you thought was obsolete. It's a win-win situation. It's easier than you think, and with a little guidance, you can be up and running in no time. There are plenty of online resources and communities ready to help you breathe new life into your old tech. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at what you can achieve. You might be wondering, why use an old laptop when dedicated servers exist? The answer is simple: affordability and accessibility. Building a dedicated server from scratch can be expensive, and renting one comes with recurring costs. An old laptop, on the other hand, is a one-time investment you've already made. Beyond cost, there's the convenience factor. Laptops are compact, making them easy to store and move around. Plus, they come with built-in components like a monitor, keyboard, and trackpad, which can be handy during setup and maintenance. Before diving into the setup process, let's gather the necessary tools and software. Don't worry, most of these are free. You'll need a stable internet connection, your trusty old laptop, of course, and the server software for your chosen game. For Minecraft, you can download the server files directly from the official website. Many popular games offer dedicated server software, so a quick Google search will point you in the right direction. Additionally, you might need to download Java, a programming language that many games rely on. Section 4. Setting up your gaming server. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to get your gaming server up and running smoothly. Now comes the fun part: setting up your gaming server. This is where you can start to customize your gaming experience and create a unique environment for you and your friends. The exact steps will vary depending on the game, but the general process is similar. Whether you're setting up a Minecraft server, an ARK, Survival Evolved server, or any other game, the initial steps are quite universal. First, download and install the server software. This is a crucial step as the software will be the backbone of your server, managing all the game data and player interactions. This usually involves running an installer and following the on-screen instructions. Make sure to read each prompt carefully to avoid any mistakes during installation. Once installed, you'll need to configure the server settings. This is where you can tailor the server to your preferences, ensuring it meets your specific needs and those of your players. This includes choosing a server name, setting up game modes, and adjusting gameplay parameters. You can decide on the rules, the difficulty level, and other key aspects that will define the gaming experience. The server software often provides helpful documentation or in-app guides to walk you through the process. These resources are invaluable, especially if you're new to setting up servers. They can help you troubleshoot issues and optimize your server for the best performance. Section 5. Optimizing for peak performance. Congratulations! Your gaming server is now live. This is a significant milestone, but the journey doesn't end here. To ensure that you and your players have the best possible experience, it's crucial to focus on optimizing the server's performance. But to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for you and your players, it's essential to optimize its performance. This involves several steps that can significantly enhance the server's efficiency and responsiveness. One crucial step is to close any unnecessary programs running on the laptop. These background applications can consume a lot of system resources, which could otherwise be used to power your gaming server more effectively. These programs consume valuable system resources that are better allocated to the gaming server. Monitoring your system's performance stats can help you identify which applications are the most resource-intensive. You can also try using a lightweight operating system like Linux, which is known for its efficiency. Linux is particularly well-suited for gaming servers due to its minimal resource usage and robust performance. If you're comfortable with more advanced tweaking, you can delve into the server software's configuration files to fine-tune performance settings. This can involve adjusting memory allocation, optimizing network settings, and other technical adjustments that can make a big difference in performance. Running regular performance tests can also help you identify any bottlenecks or issues that need addressing. By continuously monitoring and tweaking your server settings, you can ensure that your gaming experience remains smooth and enjoyable for everyone involved.